Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more to the Jamaican cooking journey. All you who are new over here, special welcome. Thank you so much for making it West Indian Delights. Now today, I'm going to share with you, and even though it's high, I'm going to share it's weak, because you know it's always about you and I, me and you, me and uno. Okay, same thing, patois, standard English, you and I, me and uno. Okay, it's all about us. We are a team together on this channel. Okay, so I'm going to show you, I'm going to share with you today a decent vegetable salad platter to add to your Mother's Day table. Okay, now the first thing we're going to do, we're going to prepare a vinaigrette. We're going to prepare it first because we want to leave it like for about 15 minutes to get it to gel, to let all the flavors of what we're going to use, everybody to bind together and to see if we can get this nice taste. So we're going to use some olive oil. I have it in my kitchen. It is for medicinal purposes. I don't cook with it. But sometimes I use it. Very rare I use it in a salad. Okay, but this one, the olive oil, goes well with it because I'm using like a little mustard. I'm going to build a vinaigrette, okay, from scratch to show you. Now, this is Mother's Day. And when I'm through with this, don't go about buying a bottle of ranch dressing, buying some ready-made what I think name coleslaw mix in the supermarket. Spend some time on mom. Make this salad in the kitchen, and all you teenagers, most of this is for you. I don't care if you're a male or you're a female, you can do this. And beyond Mother's Day, you can also do this. Get in a help. This is an easy salad. Okay, 10, 11. If you're once you're in the house and you're a teenager, suppose mom has only boys, all boys and husband. Alright, when go now make mom cook on Mother's Day? I hope not. So get right in on this. So we're gonna build a vinaigrette. So we're gonna use some mustard. The type of mustard, it doesn't matter. Be it the John, the James, or the Joe, it doesn't matter. Regular mustard, don't use the powdered mustard. We just the whole idea of mustard is to get the little flavor of the mustard coming out in this vinaigrette. So it doesn't matter which one of the mustard as long as it's not powdered mustard. So we're gonna put some mustard. I'll leave for you in the description the measurements, because most people sometimes they want the measurement, but sometimes you know the measurement it varies. Okay, because maybe you might be doing more than what I'm doing because your family is bigger. So sometimes the measurement, it does vary. But I'm still going to leave in the description. My mustard is almost finished. So well, I'm looking about like a tablespoon of mustard. So I guess that would be it right there. We don't want to overpower it too much, you know. So to this now, I'm going to add some olive oil. I'll tell you. We'll put some olive oil. Whether extra virgin or virgin, it doesn't matter. You know, our regular. So we want some olive oil. Oops, yeah, I think that does it. To this now, we're gonna put some red wine vinegar, or if you have got the balsamic vinegar, it's better. The red wine is a little sweeter, but it still can be used. So if you have balsamic in your cupboard, you use it, man, not a problem. Go low, not a lot. We are looking for about a tablespoon of this balsamic vinegar, this red wine vinegar. Okay, so I want you to go low, but I will the whole heap of vinegar business in it for go burn out the line in a mama's stomach. Too much acid, it's not good. We're gonna put a half of a small lime juice, and that is gonna be like less than a tablespoon. We don't want no more in this something here, you know, because remember we have the vinegar and stuff in it already, and this mustard thing having a little acid business in it. So we are going low. We don't want too much acid and too much in another thing here, you know. We want to put in here some dried basil. Basil has a very unique flavor, and all of you, we born and grow in the bush, I said here like myself, we used to call it nunobazi. And all of you, any of you who watch this, when you watch this video, any of you will come from any rural part and know what I'm talking. We used to call it, it grows low. Okay? But the one that we have in St. Mary, or we had, it grows real low. And we call it nunobazi. It makes nice tea. Nunobazi, that's what basil is. Country Jamaican country name. So we want to put, and it's strong too, so we want to put a little of this basil in here to give it up a bit. We're going to put a little salt. That should be good, because we don't want to get this thing too salty, you know. We're going to grate, and it doesn't matter how long. Just take your time. It's for mom. Don't rush it. It doesn't matter. We're going to grate a little garlic in there. If you don't want as much as mine, the garlic is optional. I'm going to grate about a peg and a half of garlic. I'm not going to go too much because I like the taste of garlic. If you know mama don't like garlic, not put none in it, you know. We're going to put to this about a level teaspoon of dark sugar or brown sugar. And we're going to mix this now. Look at what the color that we have. So we're going to blend this. Let us use our whisk and get it together. Nice pretty color. Look at what we get. So if you're using more, if you're gonna do a lot, you know you've got to use more. I'm not just doing like for serving for like maybe 2 people or so. So look at this. Look at the creaminess of this dressing. This is what you're looking for. Let us taste. Let us put a little teeny bit more sugar. Can I tell you something? When you do it, you tell me. You tell me. This is such a unique flavor. It is hard to tell. It has this special flavor. The mustard does that. And then the mustard gives the dressing that creaminess. Now, we have got the dressing all set. We want to leave it. That's the first thing. We're going to use some romaine lettuce, or if you have other lettuce, we're going to use a few pieces of kale and all of that. What we're going to do, we're going to remove. We're not going to use the stalks of the kale. So we're going to remove this, the kale leaf, no? And we're going to put it in some ice cold water. So I'm just showing you how you do it, right? So we finished that. We're going to use some romaine lettuce leaves. We're going to put it in the water. Because this is to let me put some more water on it. Putting them in water gives you that extra crunch. You're going to leave them in the water for about ice cold water. The kale and the lettuce. Do as much as you want, okay? So we're going to leave them in the ice water for about 15 to 20 minutes because we want that extra crunch. That cold ice water gives the lettuce and the kale that extra crunch. Now that is there, we'll finish. I'm just showing you when we return. Now you want to get yourself a firm cabbage. You're gonna take out as much as you want, okay? You know what you want. You know the size of the salad or the amount of people you're serving, but you want the salad to be a good amount. So you want to get a firm, not salad, cabbage like this. Okay, compact, properly or tightly compact. We have over here some salt water. I'm going to leave it in there to cleanse. That is the cleansing process. So we make with vinaigrette, we leave with lettuce, and put the rest of the lettuce. I'm going to put it off camera, and we're going to leave them in there for about 15 minutes to get them extra crunchy. So when they're finished and extra crunchy, we're gonna come, when we come back, they're all be dried. They must be properly dried. So when we return, we're gonna have the lettuce all chopped up, with cabbage all shredded, and we've got some mangoes here, we have got some pineapple, we have got some carrot sticks and a red onion. We're gonna come back to put this together and to present it that you can see what we're all about. Okay? Okay, now family, we are ready. We set to take off now. Everybody have them boarding pass and then get their seat number. We are right here. So this is how you want to have your cabbage, coarsely shredded. Okay. Now we were supposed to put in a little pepper. So I've gone ahead and sliced, not the Scotch bonnet, but like, you don't want the flavor of the Scotch bonnet in this vinaigrette. You just want a little heat. So if you have your red or dried pepper flakes, you could. I don't have, but I use 2 slices of this just to give a little heat, you know. Or you could add some black pepper and so. So I have some finely chopped fresh celery. I'm also gonna put it in it. I didn't want to put it in there before, so this is when we put it in there. So we have it like that. So this is where the final look at the vinaigrette give, you know. Okay, all right, now we have that. We have our lettuce all ready here to go. So this is how the cabbage look like. So we are gonna start taking our lettuce how we want it. I don't want it too large. If you want it large, some people do it bigger. Remember, we're not making a Caesar salad. This is not a Caesar salad, you see. This is just a, you know, like a regular salad, dry leafy salad. So we put in the lettuce. So we have a kale, because they come from the you heard when I was cutting the lettuce, the crunch. Yeah, so they came from the ice water. So we tap them off on paper towel, or if you have your clean kitchen towel, you can do that. Kale, so you remember, you remove them so they kind of scatter now. So you make them, put them together like in a little bundle, and you cut them. Okay, we have some red onions, thinly sliced, lots and lots of them. We are gonna throw in. If you want more, you put it in. We have some carrot sticks here, put in, and then when we toss, we see if we want more. Okay, we have got here some fresh mangoes. Use the mangoes that are smooth, not mangoes that are string. All of you who are following me on the Debbie Deb strain, you know that this is my mango. So it's fresh, all fresh diced mango, not too ripe. We have some pineapple chunks, and we're going to put it right in. Okay, now that that is in, we want to do some tossing. Toss with what you have. You can use 2 forks, or you can use so many things you can use to toss. So many things. You don't have no specific nothing, but you know the tossing is from the bottom and over. You want to get everybody, you know, we want to see where we have too much or how we look. So let us stir up this salad, you know. Because stir up the look. And it look like we can take the rest and we like a carrot stick them in it. Eh? So you want to get your salad stir up. You want everybody coming up together. You want to see everybody. You notice that is happening? All those pretty little flavors, little colors. We don't get no flavor yet. Eh? So now, what we want to do, remember, you know, you don't put on the vinaigrette until you're about to serve. Don't put this vinaigrette onto it until you're serving. You know, want it go on it, if you go get it too all saggy and make the thing look, you know, all the lettuce leaves and all of that. After you went through all of that with the ice water and get it crunchy, you want, you know. So right now, we are about to serve. Let us say we are going to serve. So you want to put in not all, but just some of your vinaigrette. So when you put in your vinaigrette, you get it all mixed up, because the vinaigrette is gonna let it, you know, kind of just get it. It won't be so thing again. You notice you put in the vinaigrette and everything is coming together. Yeah. So you toss, you mix, whatever you want to call it. So that amount that you put in, you let it go through it first, and then you put in the rest. The vinaigrette comes together. Okay. Can I say something to you, family? You should be here to smell the flavor that is coming out of this bowl. That vinaigrette, this vinaigrette, I did this one because this vinaigrette, it goes a long way. So make we taste here now. If you see what a guan. Remember, we are going to serve now. Because if you put this on too early, you can do the salad and the vinaigrette separately. Leave it in the refrigerator. When you're ready to serve, you toss it. Don't toss it before and put it down, because it's gonna get too saggy. Look at this. So look here. We want to taste this thing. I feel we want to put your hand on it and take your soul. You know? I hope you heard the crunch. So it's good. Every flavor is coming out. Now you're making a platter. Let's clean. So, you have the tomato. Because we never have nothing ready now it. So you know when you're serving salad, you must eat it. Salads like these, you eat them. So serve it whatever you want to serve it. Tongue, whatever. I have tongue, but me can't find them. So anything come at your hand, you use it. Try to get some of the pineapple, and we can probably use a spoon here. Okay? Try to get some of the pineapple and the mango. Yes, this heaped looking salad. This is what you have. Don't overcrowd the plate. Let's put it together. Look at the presentation, y'all. Look at it. You just eat, remember, when you're serving it, you you heap it. And if you're about to eat right now, the rest of what is left, you can just put a little right over. You know, to mix and to mingle and to get that extra gig. So there you have it, your Mother's Day salad platter. Okay? From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your Mother's Day table, to wherever you are, it's your Mother's Day vegetable salad platter. Please enjoy. Remember to like, remember to subscribe if you have not yet done so. When you do subscribe, remember to hit that bell. Okay? And remember to leave your comments below. Thank you so much. Some of these comments, y'all are saying that are hilarious. Some of these comments, they let me laugh so much. Sometimes I say I can't manage it, but I like them. I like it. Thank you so much. Once more, Debbie from Dongayard. Bless, no stress. Keep your notifications on. We'll be coming bigger and better. We are on to dessert next.